Good morning, guys. For today's assignment for math, we're going to be doing Thursday, Lunch on the Road, page 72. So let's go to page 72 and let's start reading. Lunch on the Road. Directions. Dion leaves his office early so he can eat lunch before his meeting. Dion leaves at 10. At what time? At 10. He eats lunch in Mason City 1.5 hours later. When does Dion eat lunch? 1.5 hours later. So here we're going to mark our clocks for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Remember, the shorter hand on the clock means hours and the longer hand on the clock means minutes. So here we're going to mark 10, and here he eats lunch in Mason City 1.5 hours later. When does Dion eat lunch? We're going to mark our time here. And if Dion takes 30 minutes to eat lunch, he can still make his meeting in Morgantown. See map in page 64. So if Dion takes half an hour to eat lunch, what does half an hour equal to? 30 minutes. To eat lunch, he can still make his meeting in Morgantown. See map on page 64. So the answer is yes or no. Let's go back to the map.